Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up shipping in Squarespace. Getting your shipping settings right is vital for a smooth customer experience and efficient order fulfillment. We will cover everything from basic configuration to advanced options. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of how to define shipping zones, set up rates, and ensure your customers receive their products without any hitches. This easy guide will help you optimize your online store's delivery process. To begin, access your Squarespace Commerce panel and locate the shipping settings. First, you will need to define your shipping origin address. This is crucial for accurate rate calculations. Next, decide on your primary shipping method. Squarespace allows you to choose between a simple flat rate, rates based on the total weight of an order, or even real-time carrier-calculated rates for precise pricing. This foundational step ensures your store is ready for customer orders. Once your basic settings are in place, it is time to create shipping zones. These zones allow you to define specific geographic areas, like different states or countries, and apply unique shipping rules to each. You can then assign various rates to these zones, perhaps a flat fee for domestic orders and a higher rate for international shipments. Additionally, think about implementing a free shipping threshold, for example, for orders over $100, to encourage larger purchases. Beyond the basics, Squarespace offers advanced shipping options such as local pickup for nearby customers or expedited delivery services. Before launching your store, it is absolutely critical to thoroughly test every shipping scenario. Place several test orders with different addresses and product quantities to ensure all rates are calculating correctly. Finally, remember to regularly review and adjust your shipping strategy. This ensures you are always offering the best value and service to your customers, keeping your operations smooth and efficient.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.